Ready? I'm gonna do an opener.
Oh, are you?
It's gonna be good. Hello my AT beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing the husband guides me through a makeup tutorial video. I have seen this video done by a couple of people and I finally convinced Chris, my husband, to be able to do this video with me as he narrates using a voiceover, and I cannot see the video that he's watching or the person that's doing this original makeup look. So he's told me that I need to do my primer, foundation, concealer, and powder, but then, so we're starting off there. That's why you're looking at me so awkwardly.
What am I supposed to do?
No, I just see your little head in the corner.
I mean, you're right here in front of me. You're my beautiful wife, so what else would I be doing?
That was cute. Anyway, so we are starting with some of those products already on my face. I have an idea a little bit of some of the products that this person, whoever this is using. So I'm just gonna let you guide me through.
Okay. What if I was actually like watching like a woodworking tutorial and I was just telling you stuff?
What do I need to start with? Let me put
Just
this
grab
on.
the palette.
We're starting there. Well, okay, you said she primes her eyelid with something that looks like a foundation, right?
Sure.
So it looks like that. So I have to put this on, right? Because I didn't put any stuff on my eyes.
Okay.
So I did put on a matte foundation because that's what this person is wearing in the video. I'm going to take the Dream Street palette from Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. So I'm taking this palette.
Yes.
What am I using?
And you're going to take...
Am I using a fluffy brush? What am I using?
I don't know. She hasn't gone there yet. She's just pointing at the shadow. It looks different there than it does here.
Well,
so I just want to make sure it's the right one. So you're going to start out with that one.
So we're taking this shade right here on a fluffy brush.
Yeah,
Brush
it's a
looks
pretty
like
big
this.
fluffy brush. Maybe like 50% bigger than that brush.
Well, I don't have like all the brushes. Is that bigger?
Actually, it's a Sigma E40.
Well, I have that. And what am I doing? Am I just running it in my crease?
You're going to put it all over your lid.
With this brush. Okay. Do I start in my crease?
I mean, she puts it literally everywhere on her lid.
Okay.
Like, and even up, like, on her... Yeah, there you go. Just like that. She says she wants this color to be everywhere.
And she doesn't have her eyebrows done yet or anything?
I mean, they look pretty done.
Well, mine aren't done.
Well, she doesn't do that in the tutorial. She just starts straight in on the eyes.
So, I missed a step already?
I don't know. She didn't say anything about eyebrows.
But they look done.
They look done. Do you want to go back and do your eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does she mention the product that she uses for her eyebrows?
No, she does not.
I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade.
Oh, no, she uses Brow Wiz.
I don't have a Brow Wiz.
She doesn't talk about it in the video.
Are her brows full so they look more natural? Like, do they look feathery or fluffy?
They look like eyebrows.
Those look really harsh.
That's fine.
Look at this.
Looks great. Looks just like how she did it.
It looks black.
Hers look pretty black.
You can't tell me characteristics of this person.
You're asking how she did her brows.
But
they're black.
You can't give descriptions away of, like, who it could be.
I don't feel like that gives away a description.
Her eyebrows are black, so she's probably dark-haired. Alright, I'm done with the eyebrows. I feel like one's darker than the other, but that's okay. Back to the Dream Street palette.
Okay.
I'm putting this shade everywhere still.
Oh, you didn't finish that?
I stopped. Yeah. Are her eyes, like, coated with this shade?
Yes.
I put that all over my eyeballs. Now what?
Okay. So then, you're going to go in with... Shooting Star. On a Morphe R40.
A what?
An R40.
I don't have that. What's it look like?
It's a slightly less poofy brush. Sure.
Which one?
Probably the left one because it's not pink.
That has nothing to do with it, though.
They're literally the same size.
Well, oh, where am I putting this?
Very good at listening to my instructions.
Where do I put this?
You're doing it in your crease.
Just in my crease?
And your outer V. Not nearly as high up as you took the other one.
So I'm keeping it lower.
Yes. So then you're going to go in with Twinkle, which is one of the big glittery ones. Yeah, and use your finger. And that's going to go, it's the star of the show because it's Twinkle.
Where is it going?
It's going to go on your, like, your inner crease, and then, like...
What is your inner crease? Like right here?
Like your, like the inside of your eye, and then, like, out to, like, 3/4 of the way out. And, like... I don't know the terms.
You're doing pretty good. So I'm bringing it to, like, my mid-eye.
Yeah. Mid-eye, like 10 or 15% towards the outer edge is probably good. That looks good. Okay, then you're going to go in with... Which one is it? Hang on. Hang on. It's this one. Whatever that one's called.
Elfish. With what?
A 305.
What is that?
A brush.
I know, but what does it look like?
It's kind of small. $217, $224.
Well, they're different brands.
Okay, well, it's a real
They're
Techniques.
they're not all named the same number.
Why wouldn't they be?
Because they're different
named the same number?
brands.
Why they?
Which one looks most like it?
Probably this one.
I'm taking Elfish. I'm going where?
Just the outer V.
And I'm blending it until it's what?
I mean, you're just like blending it into your crease about like halfway through, and then.
But how, like, dark is it?
It's pretty dark.
Like this? Darker?
Darker than that.
Oh.
And a little more up in the crease.
This has fallout.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. She put powder underneath since she already did her.
Thanks, dear.
You're welcome. I didn't think that was important. Why would that be important?
So you don't ruin the rest of your makeup. I'm gonna go back in with this brush.
That's great. She goes back in like 4 times with all the different colors.
Okay.
Oh, and I guess she drags it in the crease all the way to the inside of her eye. Did you just undo dragging it to the inside of your eye? Is that what just happened? I mean, she like makes it her crease shade. Almost.
Like, is this dark enough or darker?
I think that's dark enough. I think you need a little more. Close your eyes. I think you need a little more in your crease.
How far does she drag it into her crease?
I mean, it kind of comes like 3/4 of the way in. She just blends it out, so it's like a nice gradient from the inside of her eye all the way out.
So then I need to go back in and blend it a little bit.
Yeah, so she went back in with some more magical on top, like vertically above. I think that's that one, like above between her eyebrow and the top, just to minimize the harsh line. You need to go back in and highlight your brow bone with whatever the lightest shade in the bottom is. Not the sparkly one, the one to the right. There you go, that one. I don't know why it looks so different.
Moony.
Yeah. And then she goes back in with more Twinkle. Which is, I think,
This shade.
yeah.
On the inner part?
Yeah. You need to wet your brush, apparently.
I'm going to wet it with this spray. Going back in with this. Picking up Twinkle.
Yep.
And
just, like pressing it on.
Okay. How are we doing?
You're doing good. You can go back in with Elfish and just... That's what she does next. Highlight your brow bone with...
I already did that.
Oh. Oh, right. Okay. It is not my fault that she, does the same steps, 3 times in a row. So then you're going to put a little bit of Shooting Star on your lower lash line with a E36. Is that actually an E36?
It's an E15.
Ooh.
Does it look like this?
Yeah.
All over under my lower lash line?
Yeah. Follow it up with Elfish, blended to about halfway underneath your lower lash line.
Like halfway out here?
Yeah, on the outer side till about halfway in. Then you're gonna go in with your brown eyeshadow or eyeliner.
This is MAC Costa Riche.
It's great.
And put it on my waterline?
Yep. Mascara. Just your stand. I mean, I know that you just have your standard mascara, so I don't know why I would suggest anything different.
Am I just coating them, getting them ready for false lashes?
No, we're not going to do false lashes.
Oh, we're not?
I mean, she goes in with, like, individual false lashes, but you don't have any individual false lashes.
But I do have false lashes.
Right, but she doesn't put on full false lashes. She just, like, accents her
The outer part.
outer corners, and we don't have the option for that, so we're just going to skip that. Now that that's done, you can go in and start bronzing.
It's the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Is it really dark? This eye look is really pretty.
Mm-hmm. I thought you might like it. It's like coppery and
Not just in these sections.
I mean, like specifically in those sections, but like
she
just-
does it all over.
allegedly. She does her 2 cheeks, and then she like does her neck, and she does her forehead.
It shows her neck.
Yeah. You know, the usual places. And then you're going to go in with your blush. She puts the blush on her cheeks, seeing kind of like a circular twirling motion thing.
So this is the Becca Blush in Songbird.
Yeah, that looks about right.
I bet you I could tell who it is by the way that she applies her blush. Does she go like this?
Ish. And then you're just going to go in with highlight, once again, like a little bit of everywhere. She does the highlights of her cheekbones and her nose and everywhere.
Okay, so this is the ColourPop and Nude palette, and we're going to take this shade right here. It's called On the Loose. That's what it's called. Is it like really strong highlight?
Yeah, I mean, it comes across as pretty strong. And then you're going to go in and line your lips with the lip liner.
This is from NYX. It's the Nude Suede Shoes Lip Liner. I never line my lips.
I know you don't. Beforehand, I talked through general color, like of the things that I knew that Kate didn't have already from this tutorial. We kind of talked through color, so we did that with the highlight and with the blush and the bronzer and the lip stuff. The palette was directly from the tutorial itself.
Okay, so am I overlining my lips?
No, just regular lining. I mean, the product she uses is called Lip Foundation. So you're setting a foundation for your lips. Is kind of where we're going here.
Okay, my lips are lined.
Okay.
Now,
And then you're gonna go in with the lipstick.
so
which is
this is the Nude Sticks lip and cheek pencil in the shade Whisper. It was the lightest beige, like nude shade that I had.
and it's still like 4 shades too dark. Just so you know.
It's like really light.
It's still like 4 shades too dark. And then you're just gonna apply the gloss.
This is from Bare Minerals. It's the gloss in Totally Brilliant.
Totally.
It's the Gen Nude gloss.
That was actually pretty close.
What if I tried to kiss you when I had gloss on?
That's it.
Am I done?
We're done.
Do I look similar?
Yeah.
I do?
Yeah.
I have 2 guesses of who it might be. Okay, so my 2 guesses are either Kathleen Lights or Tati. Is it one of them?
Yeah.
I don't know. The going back and forth and blending a bunch of times makes me think it's Tati, but also I would have thought that she had like 50,000 products more than what we used because she uses like many. I'm gonna go Kathleen Lights. Yeah?
Yeah.
Because I haven't seen a whole lot of other YouTubers use that palette. Can I see what the final product is in her face? All right, well, everyone, thank you to Chris for actually being willing to be on my channel. I've tried to get him on here for a long time. Maybe if this video gets enough thumbs up, he will actually try and do my makeup. I think that he would do really well.
100 likes.
No, not 100. I'm not going to ever get 100 likes.
100 likes.
No. How about you just love your wife?
You already have a video with 100 likes. You just got a video with 100 likes.
Okay, well, I hope you get...
100 likes.
Okay, if this video gets 100 likes, Chris will do my makeup.
I'll consider
No,
it.
he will. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy these challenge videos. Anything you'd like to say, dear? You did good. in like describing crease and like outer V, and it was really easy for me to follow where you were wanting me to apply stuff. You did good. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!